Come here, my dear child, let me tell you a beautiful story before you sleep tonight. Allah tells us in the Quran, in Surah Ash-Shams, that He created our souls and gave us something very special. He gave us the ability to know right from wrong. Imagine a little boy named Ahmed. One sunny morning, Ahmed was playing in the park when he saw his friend drop his favorite toy car. The car rolled far away. Ahmed had a choice to make. Should he help his friend find the toy, or should he keep playing and pretend he didn't see? Ahmed's heart told him what was right. He ran to help his friend. Together they found the toy car, and his friend smiled so big. Allah teaches us that when we choose to do good things, when we are kind and helpful, we make our souls pure and beautiful. This is what the Ayat means when it says, "He has succeeded who purifies it." But if we choose to be mean or selfish, we hurt our own souls. That's why we must always try to choose what is good and right. So remember, my child, Allah gave you a beautiful gift. He gave you the power to choose between right and wrong. Always choose kindness. Always choose to help others. Always choose what makes Allah happy. And when you do, your heart will feel light and happy, just like Ahmed's heart felt when he helped his friend. Now close your eyes and sleep well, knowing that Allah loves those who choose to do good. Good night, my precious one.